Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we are going to see what do we need in order to have a swing high of relief for altcoins. So the altcoins could merge, could surge off and we could have a blast. Let's see. I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are, and do not forget to join our monthly subscription as well, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, to take easy profits. Let's go right now first to BTC USDT chart. What do we need is to go above the 31.8k. This could bring a very nice swing high of relief. Personally, I think that this is a very good target to achieve, and I think that we will be going there. Now we have a little bit of a resistance level to the 20-day MA, which sits at around 30.6k. So we go above first and then we go to the 31.8k. Apart from that though, this is what separates the Bitcoin's bearish movement to the bullish one. Okay, if you go right here to the candlestick patterns and you go to the baseline, you will see clearly that this is what it happens. Okay, and if we go a little bit up here, so let's move it up right there. Okay, so we are now in the bearish trend. And if we go past above the 31.8k, which is the weekly baseline right here back on 12 July 2021, then we have many chances into seeing 33.2k, and then the altcoins would take a very nice pump. Okay, so therefore I'm going to the next one. What we need to do right now for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart is to go above this line right here, the top trend line, the head and shoulders pattern right there. You can see we lost the neckline, and right now on the weekly frame we fell down a lot. Okay, so for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, I am assuming that we need to step up and we need to go all the way higher. Personally, I find it very difficult to go all the way higher. 50-day MA will be the resistance level, 20-day MA as well. We have many resistance levels now that we broke down, but let's see what it is going to happen. This was a head and shoulders pattern back then with the neckline right here for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart on the weekly frame, and right now what we need to do is to go upwards. Although for me personally, on the weekly chart, unfortunately, Ethereum against Bitcoin chart could have potentially a swing high. However, we will always get dumped into this top trend line or in the 50-day MA and the 20-day MA that it is going to meet down the 50-day exponential moving average. Okay, so you can see right here that for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, we could have though a swing high of relief, especially right now that we are having a crazily oversold situation on the daily RSI. And you can see that, yeah, maybe Ethereum against Bitcoin chart could be a little bit bullish to go at least between the 0.064 right here. Look at this line right there and this line right here. Okay, these are some crucial resistance levels that we should be facing, and the 0.064, the 0.0647 around there should be the prices that we get a correction to. However, let's see how it will go. The next step that we need to do is for BTC's dominance. We need for it to cut it off. Right now that we broke above and we didn't have a descending triangle, I'm really impressed that the fact that we didn't have a descending, but anyway, yeah, maybe this was caused by Luna. Okay, but anyway, let's go to this facts right here that if we are going to have a correction right now, yes, we might be able to see altcoin surge, but as long as Bitcoin's dominance remain high and it has a higher high, higher low pattern, do not expect something crazy from the altcoins. Okay, so three factors that we should be discussing. The first one is to get above the 31.8k. The second one is to get a pump. I think that for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, we are going to see a little bit more of a pump. Okay, so on the 4-hour frame, we do not seem so strong. Look at that commodity channel index into an overbought situation right here. We should be a little bit careful as we are now above the 20-day MA and on the very huge bearish movement right here. We have usually a selling pressure towards the 20-day or the above the 50-day MA. But anyway, yeah, in the daily frame, in the next days, I think that we can easily approach these targets right here, the 0.064. Okay, so personally, yeah, Ethereum against Bitcoin chart is looking good, maybe to have a swing high, but for the next weeks it is not looking good. I'm just telling you that so you know, okay, for the next weeks, it is not looking like we have some crazy momentum going on. The weekly commodity channel index is in a greatly, hugely oversold situation right here. And this is the good part right now. But apart from that, we do not have anything. Stochastics are saying an oversold as well. The RSI though, it is floating above the 70s. This could easily drop below the 30s. Okay, it is floating, sorry, above the 30s, but it could easily drop. So BTC's dominance right here, I do not know what are the next targets for Bitcoin's dominance. Maybe it is preparing for something bigger now that we are having the little bump right here. I do not know how high can we go, maybe to go even to the 50%, near the 50% of the whole dominance right here. Bitcoin will hold the 50% of the total dominance. Okay, so yeah, maybe could be the case, but anyway, we will have to wait and see until things clear out, until we see Ethereum against Bitcoin chart being a little bit more bullish. We do not want to discuss about an altcoin search. Okay, for now, we should be paying attention closely to the Bitcoin. This is what it will signal the next bull run, and therefore this is what we could be having in order, for example, if we close above the 31.8k, this is a greatly huge achievement. The next will be the 33.2k and so on. Okay, but first one is the 31.8k, which is a very huge resistance line right here, and I think that if we can manage to pull it off, then maybe we have some chances into seeing a very nice uptrend. Okay, a very nice swing high relief, maybe towards the 36k and so on. However, for the time being, we have many mountains to climb. We have huge mountains to see beyond them. Okay, we do not want to be bullish right now with just a little bit of a buying pressure that Bitcoin had. Okay, 31.8k is a very huge resistance level, and of course after that we are going to see what we are going to do. I really hope for the best for BTC and all the other altcoins. Personally, for me, I want to see a swing high relief because I see many people in depression, okay, and I want them to be more happy. So right now I would really be glad if we can go above the 31.8k, but I cannot be this type of guy that he will hype you and then we are going to see, for example, a crash coming in, and then I'm going to say, sorry, okay, I want to provide you truthful information. So 31.8k, if we cannot manage to go above it, then the altcoins will decline. Bitcoin will decline as well. The market is going to go further and further down, possibly further down than the 26.2k. I would really like to see at least one bullish week. That's all I want to see right now. Really, after 9 consecutive bearish weeks, one bullish week would be enough for me. Personally, I would like 10 weeks, but anyway, yeah, that's the truth right now. We are having a very critical resistance level right here that we need to surpass. Then the altcoins could search more. If we can get past above the 31.8k, then the altcoins will have a more of a swing high of relief, and the Bitcoin's dominance could potentially drop down. But I think we are on our way maybe to the 50%. Let's find out in the next upcoming days. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MyIntroCrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic really day wherever you are, and see you soon. Stay strong. Bye.